In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gmail inbox separate for social promotions forums, if your inbox feels crowded. This simple setup helps Gmail sort messages into clear tabs so you can focus on what matters first, while still keeping everything easy to find. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser on a computer. You can do this on a phone, but the full settings are much easier to manage on a desktop. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account where you want these changes. In the top right corner of Gmail, click the Settings gear icon. A quick panel may appear, but for what we need, click See All Settings. This opens the full settings page where you have complete control over your inbox setup. Along the top of the settings page, click the Inbox tab. This is where Gmail controls how your inbox is organized. If you don't see the options we're about to use, you are likely in the right place. But the next step is essential to make the category tabs available. Under Inbox Type, select Default. This is important because the category tabs only appear with the default inbox. If you've been using another layout like Priority or Unread First, switching to default enables the tabs feature without changing your emails themselves. In the Categories section, check the boxes for the tabs you want to enable: Social, Promotions, Updates, and Forums. Here is a quick guide to help you choose. Social gathers messages from social networks and media sites. Promotions catches marketing emails, deals, and newsletters from brands. Updates is great for confirmations, receipts, and notifications from services you use. Forums collects messages from discussion boards and mailing lists. Your primary tab will continue to hold personal and important messages. You can enable all of these or just the ones that fit your workflow. You are in control. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload, and you'll see the new tabs appear across the top of your inbox. Nothing is deleted, your messages are simply sorted. If you notice a message in the wrong tab, just drag it to the correct one. Gmail will learn from your choice and file similar emails there next time. You can always come back to these settings to adjust the categories if your needs change. That's all you need to make your Gmail inbox cleaner and easier to manage. Enjoy a more organized inbox and spend less time hunting for the emails you actually want to read. Thanks for watching.